All right, we're just at the legal limit here. We got the Steve being all weird. Heather, Steve, Selena, and we're gonna try and dive this run. Super popular fishing run. There should be tons and tons of fish and stuff. As you can see, it's winter here. Pretty chilly. It's gonna be good. With this consistently cold weather that we've had now, this makes our rivers absolutely beautiful to swim in. Absolutely crystal clear, and it's just a lot more fun to swim in a river that you can see very well in. And this is because all the stuff coming out of the sky is snow. There's no rain, it's all snow up in these mountains, and it's sticking, which means there's no runoff coming down the mountains, kind of muddying up the water. Usually, the rest of the year, you have these small streams that all come down off the snow caps of the mountains, and they bring with little silt and debris, and it just clouds up the river a lot. With a lot of rain, you get some of the clay banks up higher, and they just destroy the river clarity. So this time of year, it's absolutely beautiful to swim in this river. However, with beauty does come the downsides. This water is really cold. In fact, it's so cold that the water that we're splashing onto some of these rocks and we're putting positive fishing line, when I come back to take the fishing line off the rocks, it's froze solid to the rocks, so I have to splash more water on it to be able to get it loose enough to just rip off. But because this water is moving so fast, it's not freezing, but there's definitely ice around all the rocks on the sides of the river. Salmon are one of the most crazy creatures you'll ever see. Just the fact that they can come to their spawning grounds every year, travel thousands and thousands of kilometers to return to the exact spot where they were hatched. And you can see after they spawn, they're still kicking, even though they look like they're rotting and dying, which they are. But it's just amazing that they still can swim with no tail like this fish. Like, it's just out of this world. As you can see here, there's absolutely no shortage of fishing line, fishing hooks, lures, and weights. It is everywhere at the spot because it is such a popular spot. And the funny thing is as soon as you get a little bit of fishing line stuck on the bottom, every other person that's casting in the same spot has a higher chance to get their line stuck on the line before theirs. So it's kind of a continuous cycle in some of these really popular spots like this for us to find like heaps of fish and stuff. But it is what it is, and we got it out, so that's what counts. pretty funny. This dead fish that I found at the bottom of the river here actually looks way fresher than many of the fish I've seen a few fishermen catch recently. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean.
This bag is hard to swim with. Between the lead and the hooks that keep stabbing my leg. Whew. Chilly, can't feel my lips. So we collected some pretty good stuff. This is all full of fish lures, and line and sticks and weights. I can't talk right now, so I'll jump to when I can.
Overall, we ended up with a whole bunch of lures, trash, weights, and a lot of fishing line. So this will be a project for a day to come. Cut this apart, take out all the good jigs and stuff, and throw away all the stuff that we pull out that doesn't belong in the river. Thanks for watching, guys.